Huawei is a company that is constantly innovating with the sole goal of just dominating the smartphone market, and with the recently introduced Huawei Nova 4, it's no exception. Priced at 1,499 dirhams and armed with a 6.4-inch full view display, a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera, and a wider triple camera, is this phone really worth the purchase? My name is Josh from Dubai and More, and I'm here to help you with your purchase decision. As soon as you open the box, you get to see the full display of the Huawei Nova 4. This particular model has a color that Huawei calls Crush Blue. Although the company has released 4 color versions across the world, only 2 are available in the UAE market, which is this and the one in black. The box also contains a SIM ejector pin, a warranty card, and a clear case. You also have earphones with a 3mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C charger, and a fast charging brick. In terms of the phone specification, the Huawei Nova 4 is equipped with a Kirin 970 chipset, Mali G72, MP12 GPU, and in the UAE it is available with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So the phone has aluminum size and a 3D curved glass design. It weighs in at about 172 grams, and it's not too heavy nor is it too light. Also, in a typical Huawei fashion, there is a camera bump at the back coupled with a fingerprint scanner right in the middle. Now for the buttons and jacks. The volume and power buttons are on the right side of the device, and on the top is the headphone jack. The SIM card slot is on the left side, which can house 2 SIM cards but no external memory card. At the bottom, there is a Type-C charging port with a mono speaker. Moving on to the display, the phone has a 6.4-inch IPS LED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2310 and a very unique 19.25 aspect ratio. The Huawei Nova 4 is also the first phone to incorporate the punch hole display, and a great way to move forward in order to eliminate the notch from the phone designs completely. This particular phone also has 3 cameras at the back. The first is a 20 megapixel f1.8 aperture. The second is a 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture with a 13mm ultra-wide lens. And the third is a 2mm f2.4 aperture depth sensor. For video, the Huawei Nova 4 can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second, but if you can't hold your hand steady, the footage will come out like this, looking a bit shaky. However, it does stabilize in 1080 as you can see. In terms of battery life, the Huawei Nova 4 has a 3750 mAh battery, and with daily use it can last up to 2 days, but that's essentially me using it to make phone calls, email, and texting. In terms of pricing, the Huawei Nova 4 is priced at 1,499 dirhams, which is roughly about $410 before tax, and is available in 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB ROM, and comes in 2 colors, black and Crush Blue. If you want to find this phone, there are plenty of places in Dubai that actually sell it, and I'll leave a few links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.